Hi everyone, I'm gonna do a tutorial on Khavha nndwele murena by Worship House. Original bass line was played by Mataga. The song is played at the key of G. There's your G here, this is your 1, this is your 1 octave. There's just some few tricks that he does with the right hand just to make the song or to make the bass guitar sound the way it sounds, you know, and I'm talking about okay, the song starts from 1, 6, 4, and then 2, 5, 1. So it goes. Okay, so what he's doing here is just playing, he's using these 2 fingers here and he's just moving them a little bit faster, you know. Okay, when he does, he uses 2 fingers on 1 fret, you know, 1 finger on top and then another finger at the bottom. But sometimes I can't do it like that. I just use one finger on 1 fret. So he does it like, it actually sounds much better that way. But if you can't do that, you still can use 1 finger. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.